Meaning of frowsty.
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 Frowsty. The word frowsty refers to something that is stuffy, stale, or poorly ventilated. It can be used to describe a room, a smell, or even a person's demeanor. This word carries a negative connotation and implies a feeling of discomfort or uncleanliness. A frowsty environment can lead to health issues such as congestion, headaches, or allergies. It is important to regularly maintain proper ventilation and cleanliness to avoid a frowsty atmosphere. Overall, the word frowsty paints a picture of a stagnant and unpleasant environment.